New from California Exotic Novelties, the Universal Love Rider Premium Ring Strap-On Harness and the Silicone Love Rider Thruster Dildo. These two items are sold separately, but we are reviewing them together since they are designed to work together. The strap-on harness is part of California Exotic Novelties' complete strap-on system. It makes several accessories that are all designed to work together, and most harness-compatible dildos will work with this harness. The strap-on is crafted from all man-made materials. The harness is dual layers of a vinyl-like material that are hand-stitched together and has a soft lining that is gentle on your skin. All the straps are fully adjustable. The waistband has two belt-style buckles that are located on the sides, and there are two sliding loops attached in the back that the crotch straps cinch to. The crotch straps are also fully adjustable, and the cinch straps connect like the chin strap on a motorcycle helmet, allowing for unlimited adjustability. This harness will fit everyone with a waist size under 49.5 inches, so if you have a waist size of 50 inches or more, this would not be a harness for you. We recommend this harness only for women to wear. The crotch straps do not allow room for a man's genitals, and it is very uncomfortable for them to wear it. We do sell many harnesses designed specially for men in the strap-on section of our website. In the front of the harness is a universal O-ring that has a 2-inch inner diameter. This is a good size for most harness-compatible dongs and will generally fit dildos that feature a wide flat base or a suction cup bottom. The O-ring can be removed easily as the straps attach with snaps, so you can replace with different sized rings if needed. passionshop.com sells many different sized O-rings that can be used with this harness, and they can be found in the metal cock ring section. There is no backing material behind the O-ring, and while this is a personal preference, it is important to consider the consequences of a strap-on harness of this style. Some people prefer a backing material because it tends to hold the dildo in place firmer without tightening up the harness too much. If you leave the harness loose, the dildo doesn't sit as firmly in the harness and tends to flop around more. On the other side of this argument, by not having backing material, the wearer tends to get more clitoral stimulation from the base of the dildo. The dildo we are showing with the harness today is the Silicone Love Rider Thruster. It is made from pure silicone, our favorite sex toy material. Silicone is extremely hygienic since it's non-porous and it can even be boiled to sterilize it. It has a nice silky feel to it and is pliable, yet firm enough even for anal insertion. The thruster has a curved tip, making it good for G-spot or prostate stimulation, and the variable width shaft increases stimulation when thrusting. The thruster has an insertable length of 7 inches and a maximum width of 1.6 inches. The base is also a suction cup, so it can be stuck to any hard, flat surface for hands-free use. Since this is a silicone dildo, we recommend that water-based lubricants are used with it. Silicone lubricants could react and damage silicone sex toys. Overall, we found both of these products to be extremely well made, and with proper care, they should last a lifetime. We are giving them an overall rating of 4 stars out of a possible 5. While we did not have any complaints about either item, we do prefer strap-on harnesses that have a backing material to hold the dildo in place a little firmer. The overall quality and the price point that California Exotics is offering these makes them exceptional values and should be a welcome addition to anyone's toy chest. Enhance your love life today with the Universal Love Rider Premium Ring Harness and Silicone Thruster, available now from passionshop.com.